pretty non-ferrous here. Let's see what it is. What a beautiful day to be in the woods. Feels like there's something. Oh, what the? No way. A colonial clamp of some sort. You've got to be kidding me. That is so ornate. I don't want to scratch it. Wow. What was this used for? Clamping down something, holding something up here. Wow. This is so cool. Look at that design in it. This is incredible. Wow. Hey, so glad I came over here today. So I took it home and cleaned it up, just a brush to it. Didn't want to lose the patina. Found a nice piece online by Miss Mustard Seed. She was interested in buying one. They come in a range of prices and materials, some cast iron, brass, silver plated, nickel plated. Not sure, but I think mine might be brass. Apparently a popular tool in the Victorian age. There's a clip, usually the bird's mouth, to hold cloth or thread, and usually there's a pincushion as well. Overall, a very cool find, and you can even buy replicas of them today online.